Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. Today, we are going to learn how to write an internship motivation letter. What is an internship motivation letter? A motivation letter for internships is a letter consists of the reasons for the candidate being suitable for a specific job while giving insights into the candidate's potential to contribute to the organization, personality, interests, and whether the candidate will be a suitable fit. Here, Writing Practices will show you how to write a motivation letter for internships step by step. Check this out. First of all, write a header of the letter. This is a modern style of business letter. So, write your full name using uppercase at the top middle of the letter. Under it, you can mention your contact information. They are such as your phone number, email address, and LinkedIn account. Sure, you can give other necessary information based on your preference. And now, write down the date of the letter. After that, write the recipient's full name. If you have no idea, just mention the company or organization's name then. And also, write the address of the company or organization. Don't forget to mention the city, state, and zip code. You may also write the phone number and email address, these are optional. Once you finished with your and the recipient's personal information, you can open the letter with Dear Mr. or Ms. or Mrs. followed by the last name of the recipient. In the first paragraph, write the reasons why you are writing this letter. You can mention where you got the information about the job vacancy. In this case, the sender found it through a platform of Recruiter. And show your excitement how your academic accomplishments fulfill the criteria. Write what you are looking for from this opportunity, such as a challenging internship and so on. In the second paragraph, it is where you introduce yourself. When I say introduce yourself, it doesn't mean you say hello, my name Kylie. You don't have to mention it since it is written in uppercase font as the header of your letter. Instead, write your status as a student. Mention what university or school you are in. And mention the specific skills that you have. Mention the ones that have correlation to the job position only. Of course, you are welcome to mention your academic records. It is okay to mention your GPA. And mention other achievements in academic. Besides that, make a bullet points telling more about your credibility. For example, you can mention the coursework in some specific fields. In this case, the writer writes some fields that he or she master in the college. Again, mention the ones that have business with the job position you apply only. In the third paragraph, you can mention your job experience. Or if you don't have one, just mention your achievements in the field you are studying in your college. For example, the writer here used her or his knowledge to design a marketing campaign for a pet grooming business. After mentioning it, you have to give more details. Just tell what you did and how the business works. And don't forget to mention how successful it is. In short, show your value here that other candidates may not have. This will be plus points for you. And for the closing paragraph, write your hope about getting an opportunity for the interview. Don't forget to mention that you attach the resume along with this motivation letter. And welcome the recipient to contact you in the future. And the last sentence, thank the recipient for their time and consideration. Finally, you can close the letter with sincerely. And write your full name and maybe a signature. So, that's how you write a motivation letter for internships. I hope you find this video helpful. Cannot wait to see you on the next video. See you.